All right, so let's dive into a little bit more details about the structure of this course. After the introduction, we're going to start with the Hello Maps section, where I'm going to show you that how you can display maps, display the user's current location, as well as requesting the permission of the user. Then we're going to see that how we can zoom into the map so that we can see our surroundings much better. You'll also see throughout the course that there are some bonus sections available or bonus lectures which will teach you additional stuff about map view. One other thing you will notice is that all of the lectures are accompanied with their own corresponding downloadable sample files, which will consist of the start and the end folder. Next, we're going to jump into annotations. As you can see, there are a lot of lectures in annotation. This because this is one of the most important sections in the whole course. You're going to learn that how you can create a custom annotation as well as custom accessory views and a custom layout. I'm also even going to show you that how you can create reusable custom callout controls so that you can easily port it to different applications. After annotations, we're going to dive into reverse geocoding. Instead of finding the address or a map point using the latitude and longitude, this time we are going to enter an address. And we're going to do the reverse geocoding algorithm to find the correct latitude and longitude position on the map. You're also going to learn about geofencing, which means that you're going to learn how to create a virtual fence, and when the user passes or enters or exits the fence, you will get a notification. Next, we're going to jump into directions. We're going to start slowly by seeing that how we can open Apple Maps to give the user direction from the source to the destination. Next, we're going to see that how we can grab all the directions and put it in a table view, as well as creating an overlay and putting it on the map. Finally, you're going to learn about the MK Local Search class. This is one of those hidden gems in the MapKit that not many people know about. You're going to learn that how you can use MK Local Search to find local businesses near your current location. Those businesses can be coffee shops, gas station, hospital, bars, or even restaurants. So if you're ready, let's get started.